Did you know that computer engineers are the people behind every single app on your phone right now? Every time you open Instagram, send a message, or even watch this YouTube video, you're using something a computer engineer built. But here's what most people don't know about computer engineering. It's not just about coding all day in a dark room like you see in movies. Computer engineers are problem solvers who create the technology that runs our entire world. From the smartphone in your pocket to the systems that control traffic lights in your city. Today I'm going to show you exactly what computer engineering is really about. And why this field might be the perfect fit for you, even if you think you're not a tech person. By the end of this video, you'll understand what computer engineers actually do every day. Let me start with a simple question. What do you think happens when you tap the Netflix app on your phone? Most people think it's just magic, but there's actually a whole chain of computer engineering that makes it work. First, your tap gets converted into electrical signals by hardware engineers. Then software engineers process that signal and send a request over the internet. Network engineers make sure that request reaches Netflix's servers. Database engineers help find the exact show you want to watch. And security engineers make sure nobody can hack into your account while this happens. All of this happens in less than a second. That's the power of computer engineering working together. Now let me break down what computer engineering actually covers. Most people think it's just one thing, but it's actually like a big umbrella with many different specialties underneath. Hardware engineering is where you work with the physical parts of computers. Think about the processor in your laptop or the memory chips in your phone. Hardware engineers design and test these components. They figure out how to make computers faster, smaller, and use less battery. Sarah, a hardware engineer I know, spent 2 years working on making phone batteries last longer. Her team's work is now used in millions of smartphones around the world. She told me the best part of her job is holding a device and knowing she helped create the technology inside it. Software engineering is probably what most people think of when they hear computer engineering. These are the people who write the code that makes programs work. But it's not just about typing lines of code all day. Software engineers spend most of their time thinking through problems and finding solutions. They work in teams, talk to customers, and constantly learn new technologies. Mark started as a software engineer 3 years ago with no computer science degree. He taught himself programming through online courses and built small projects. Now he works at a company that makes educational apps for kids. He says seeing children learn math through an app he helped build makes every late night worth it. Web development is another big area that's growing fast. Web developers create websites and online applications. Every website you visit was built by web developers.